Hi, we are Team Alpha, and we're here to present our website called Bake Off. My name is Ian Burrell.
My name is Alan Duplain.
And my name is Alex Winter.
The goal of this website is to create competitions on a weekly and daily basis that users can participate in and have fun with the quarantine. And other users can also vote on the best looking competition, best looking submissions, and determine winners each day, each year on each competition. You can also learn from other bakers in the comment section and get tips on recipes and how to improve your submissions. And this is targeted to all users on any skill level, whether you're a novice baker or like an expert baker used to work at a bakery. It has different competitions based on where your skill level is. So you want to go for a more high end baking product, you can go for one of those products, or you can just want to make like a simple bread loaf, you can make one of those as well. And this is because more people is baking at home, and because people are stuck at home, they want to give people like something stuff to do while they're just sitting at home in quarantine. Is in terms of the website in general, is general very easy to like get the layout and get the bootstrap integrate it into the website, and then generating the pages after posting database is also very simple as well. A lot of the hard tasks we had to go through was the phone page scaling, like getting from your phone to a desktop was kind of difficult. Trying to make sure all everything was formatted correctly, getting photos to upload correctly, because uploading photos with HTML was quite difficult. Like integrate correctly and put them into the database. Another general hard task to do was just general integrating the database and like design the database so you can actually use it for the website.
Alright, so let's look at some basic user features of our website. This main page is just about users being able to access the different challenges available to them. And if we look here, we have a nice little responsive thing where shrinking the page actually causes the rows to kind of collapse down into one or two columns, or three columns, depending on how wide the page is. Just a cool little bootstrap thing. So if we actually look at, let's access iBurrell's account and click on the first link. On here we can see this is the challenge page for that top challenge. We see the challenge name and a short description. This is filler text for now, and a link to the recipe so that people can actually partake in the challenge. We also have 3 tabs along the bottom, one for the entries, one for submitting your own entry, and comments on the challenge as a whole. Each user can like different entries, and they base this off scrolling through the pictures of a given entry, and they can cast their vote. And this vote saves between leaving and rejoining. So let's go on to this account, and we'll go into this challenge. See how it has no entries? Let's go give it an entry from here. It'll select these 2 pictures, open it, submit it, and we get a little alert that says it was successful, and now we have a nice set of images down here. Now we could actually go on to another account, go down to this one, we can like this entry, but now let's type a comment. I love bread. Comment that. It doesn't. We actually have to leave the page and go back into it. Let's go back into it on Ian's account. Go in here. We still see this, and we see this account posting the comment. I love bread. So yeah, those are basic user interactions on our website.
An interesting part of our project that we wanted to talk a little bit more about is the file upload process. So Heroku doesn't offer a default way of hosting images, so we used Amazon S3 instead. You can't directly upload to Amazon S3 because that would mean you expose your credentials on the front end, or anyone can just upload to Amazon S3. So to combat this, you instead send a request to the backend, and the backend has the Amazon credentials, and it authorizes a file to be uploaded. This returns a URL, which now the front end can use to upload one file one time to Amazon S3. And this allows the entire process to be a little more secure, and it prevents the need to upload the file to the backend and then to S3, which is 2 file uploads, meaning double the time and double the chance to fail. For future work, there was 3 main things that we really wanted to work on. First of all was cropping entries images on the site. As it stands, you can just upload any image to the site, which means that when it shows up on the front end, the size of your image can really mess with the front end UI. So to combat this, we wanted to add a cropping feature on the front end where you can pick the size of your image before uploading it, and we can restrict that to a specific aspect ratio. With this, we wanted to have a preview of your entry so that you know what you're submitting before you submit. Finally, to close out a competition right now is a manual task, and we wanted it to have an automated process that reads the end time of the competition and stops further entries plus awards a winner. So this is all the things we wanted to do in the future.